Good morning children, welcome to our class Amma. In your previous class you learn ascending order. As let's see Amma, descending order. The given numbers you are arranged in descending order. In descending order we go from big number to small number. We go from big number to small number in descending order. Descending order, big to small. Now you need which number first? Big number. We comparing this numbers among 63, 54, 18, 45, 36 and 81. The given numbers all are having two-digit numbers. Yes, all are having two-digit numbers. So we are checking it in tens place. You need big number. We are checking it in tens place. Okay, ma? 6, 5, 1, 4, 3, 8. 8 is the big number. So 81 is the big number. 81 is the big number. You write first 81. Now 81 is over. Comparing remaining numbers 6, 5, 1, 4, 3. Which one is the next big number in tens? 6. So 63 is the next big one. We are arranging numbers from big to small in descending order. Now these both are over. Comparing remaining numbers 5, 1, 4, 3. Next big one 5. So 54 is the next biggest number. Now next 1, 4, 3. Next one number 4. So 45 is the next biggest number and next 36 and 8. Okay, please copy it amma. All of you kept in your mind what is the ascending order? Ascending order means in ascending order we go from small to big. In descending order we go from big to small. These both are kept in your mind. One more problem. Descending order, big to small. Okay, big to small. We go from big to small. Tell me children, what is a big number? We don't know what is a big number. We are check it. What is the big number? How to check it, amma? First given numbers having how many digits? Each numbers any digit number. First you are check it. 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. All are 2 digit numbers. So in 2 digits now, how many place values? Ones and tens. Ones place value and tens. Ones, tens, ones, tens. All of having ones and tens. In tens place, which number having big number? That number is the big number. Tens lo unna number edi big number unte aa number big number. We know that this is a tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Check it amma in tens place. 6, 1, 3, 9, 3, 5. Which one is the big one? 9. So 91 is the first big number. Write down 91. Next 91 is over. 6, 1, 3, 3, 5. Next big number in tens. 6. So 63 is the next big number. Next number 63 is over. Now check it in next remaining one. 1, 3, 3, 5. 5 is the next big number. Write down next 53. Next 1, 3, 3. Both are having 3, 3. So we go for next place value. We will check it in ones place. Here 5 is there. Here 6 is there. So 5 is the big or 6 is big? 6 is the big. So 36 is the big number. You should write here 36. Next one amma 33 1. 3 is the big one. So 35 is the next big number. Next one amma 90. one more. These are all write in your class book, comma. A descending order, big to small. Okay, big to small. 4, 5, 7, 4, 8, 6. 8. So 85 is the next big number. Next is 74. Next is 64. Next to 47. And sorry, 58, 47 and 46. Okay. Write down, Amma. This go. Please copy in your class book. Water levu. Next homework, Amma. Today homework. This is your homework. These given numbers write in descending orders. Okay, please copy it. Next class, I will start new chapter. That is the 5th chapter. Numeral from 1 to 100. Please write it, Amma. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.